Where are they?
Come, let's click a picture. Come. Finally.
Hi.
Hello.
Hey! Long time, right? What's up, Kama?
Well, right now, we were just waiting for you to arrive.
It's good that we are here then.
By the way, where is Semicolon?
I'll call him.
So sorry, I missed the first bus and I had to wait for the next one. I was running a little late.
How do these things keep happening to you?
I wish I knew.
Some people can be so dramatic. I mean, recently I.
Yeah, right.
No, I'm serious, but it's really.
Oh, please. That's not possible.
Oh, you are the one to say that.
Yeah, whatever.
Come on, pass me the chips. By the way, those are really nice earrings, Kama.
Wow, thank you. I know. I really like these earrings, I think it matches with my personality.
Yeah, but don't you think you're kind of overdressed for this?
Hey, it's not fair. You always hang out at my place and I never get a chance to dress up. So this time I decided to break this stereotype and get dressed up even though it's my home.
Period.
So, what are you... Hey everyone! What are you planning to do after this?
Well, I'm planning to have lunch after this.
I mean in life. What's next? What's your plan for the future?
Well, I have planned out everything. I'm working really hard to reach my goals. I believe in myself and I know it will work out.
Honestly, I don't know. I have so many doubts. What if something goes wrong? What if plan A doesn't work? What if plan B isn't good enough? What if? I don't know.
I think I have quite a few options, I can get a job or I start something of my own. Or maybe I learn some new language or something else. Let's see.
See, I'll do something extra special, something awesome, basically something extra.
What about you, Semicolon? What's your plan? You know, we are pretty similar in some ways. I once heard someone say that I inspire you a lot. Maybe you'll follow my footsteps regarding future plans? Bro, I'm just kidding.
Of course, you're kidding, but yeah, I agree. As you said, we are quite similar. Still, we are different. Very different. I too have goals and I have some plans, but I'm not really sure about it. And I'm pretty sure most of us aren't. Right question mark? See, full stop. You are inspiring, definitely. You're confident, like you have the ability to come out of things when you realize it's time to do so. You confidently end something, then again start something new. Period. I, on the other hand, am not so confident. Like, I'm still unsure about my purpose. Not even confident enough to say, period. You know, earlier I used to think that I'm a lot like you, full stop, but lately I've realized no, I'm not. Yes, I have a purpose, but I haven't discovered it fully yet. We all have our own interests, our own purposes. Not everyone has figured out themselves, and I feel this is alright. You ever wondered why we are such good friends? It's not because we are similar. Like, it's not just because we are similar, it's because we are not. And this is what makes this friendship so vibrant.
I agree. I'm sorry if I behave a little too aggressively or dominantly at times. You know, that's who I am. Well, to be honest, sometimes even I don't know if that's who I am. Yes, I'm confident, but I'm not arrogant. At least I don't want to be. Again, I'm really sorry if my behavior has hurt you or any of my friends.
No, like, I know what you mean, trust me. Like, I won't say you've hurt me or something like that. It's just that sometimes you're a little intimidating. And at the same time, of course, I know how much you value your friends.
Maybe you know me better than I know you.
I do. Because I know you since a very long time. And yeah, just because we are similar, I started comparing myself to you, and that only messed up my self confidence even more. But you are so inspiring. And that's why I realize you're better than me in so many ways. So right now, I'm just trying to be myself. Well, it's not easy, but I'm still trying. But you still inspire me. All my friends inspire me to be myself, to love myself.
Well, you inspire me too. All of these people inspire me. You know, I can come off as overconfident and a little too assertive. So I'm really glad that I have people around me who understand me and love me.
Wait, do they love you?
Wow. You know, maybe we should capture this weirdly inspiring moment.
What's for lunch?
Oh my god.